Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the Midea Easy Dry Dehumidifier. So here, as you can see, it says just some specs on it, 22 pints a day, so it could take out a lot. Easy dry, simple plug-in, and it's running in no time. Easy move. There's 4 wheels at the bottom. There's a timer for on and off, and it's energy efficient. So there's a 1-year limited warranty there. Has the Energy Star. So I'm just going to open this, and we shall see what it is inside, how it is. So I had another one already that's working, and I need to get a second one just for one of the rooms that I have. It tends to, I don't understand why, it tends to gain a lot of humidity in there. So without a dehumidifier, it will definitely gain a lot of moisture. This is, pull this out. Take this out here, right out the box. Let's see how is here. So you come in on here, there's different buttons. There's the power, there's the timer as well. Not sure what these ones are. I'd have to read the instruction manual, which comes right here. If we look at, I believe on both sides here, at the bottom there's the tank, so it will always be filled up, and then you can just take it out. This is in here. I think this is where the water starts to go so high, and then it shuts off the dehumidifier. Just put this back. So, and on each side here, you can, it's for carrying. So I'm going to plug this in, and we will see how this works. Okay, so I have the dehumidifier in the workout room, so it's a pretty good place for it, seeing as how when you do a workout, you breathe out a lot, there's a lot of moisture in the air. So let's see, turn on the power. So there's a turbo mode if you want it to be stronger, but I don't want it that much. There's a timer. I could put to half an hour. So there's a button where it'll tell you to change the filter. There's a continuous mode. And over down here, it'll tell you the level of the water that it's accumulated. So I think it's pretty good for this machine. If you like this unboxing and review, please remember to click that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification to always be up to date on our newest food, product, and travel videos. Until next time, take care.